In today's video, I'm gonna give you three very special and simple recipes for everyone who wants to lose weight, especially after 50 years old. When we reach our 50s, our metabolism slows down, making it easier for weight to creep up. Fortunately, nature provides us with many drinks that can help boost metabolism, support weight loss, and keep us feeling healthy and vibrant. Here's three proven delicious and easy recipe you can enjoy daily. First, warm lemon, ginger, and honey drink. This drink supports detoxification, boosts metabolism, and strengthens the immune system. Recipe: 1 cup of warm water, not boiling, juice of the half lemon, 1 tablespoon of honey, a small piece of fresh ginger or a pinch of ground ginger. Stir it well and drink it in the morning on the empty stomach. Ginger helps rev up your metabolism, while lemon subjects digestion. I believe everyone knows how perfect for our health is going to be ginger, is going to be lemon, water. Drink this early in the morning. Usually I'm going to recommend it. All those drinks that I'm going to tell you in today's video, you can drink it 15 to 30 days in a row with 15 to 30 days rest period. My second recipe is going to be green tea with mint and lemon. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and mint soothes digestion and reduces bloating. Recipe: 1 bag of green tea or 1 tablespoon of loose leaf, a fresh mint leaves, juice of half lemon. Brew the tea and let it steep for 5 minutes. Add mint and the lemon and drink in the morning or afternoon. And my third recommendation is going to be cucumber lime detox water. Refreshing hydration and helps flush our toxins from the body. Recipe: 1 liter of water, a few slices of fresh cucumber, a few slices of lime or lemon, a few mint leaves. Place everything in the water and refrigerate for a few hours. Simply through the day for the hydration and the cleansing. This is unbelievably important. So this is my 3 recipe that's going to help you a lot. Of course, you will be in an unbelievably good position if you try or practicing something called intermittent fasting. Also with physical activity, those 3 things can help you a lot. If you have any kind of suggestion how you lose weight, especially after 15 years old, please let us know below the video. Leave the comment. But everyone who wants to learn a lot more about nutrition and the weight loss, watch my video right here. Thank you for following me. See you next time. God bless you. God bless your family. Bye bye.